In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 23H2 on unsupported hardware, no TPM and secure boot. Method 1. Download Windows 11 23H2 ISO file. I already download the ISO file. Download Rufus software to bootable your flash drive. After download finish, run Rufus software. Your flash drive must be 8 GB. Select your ISO file. After all settings, click Start button. Check mark Remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. Also remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. After do that, bootable your flash drive and install Windows 11 23H2 without requirement. Method 2. Download Windows 11 23H2 ISO file, normally bootable your flash drive, insert flash drive on your PC. Restart your computer, press boot menu to install Windows 11. Press Shift plus F10 to run CMD. Type regedit. Click H key local machine, click System, click Setup, click New, click Key, name is labconfig. Then click New DWORD, 32-bit, valve, name is bypass TPM check, value is 1. Then click New DWORD, 32-bit, valve, name is bypass secure boot check, value is 1, and close it. Click I don't have product key. Select your Windows version. See now no error coming. Now install Windows 23H2 as you installed before. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.